Today, I'll show you how to use Looker Studio with BigQuery. This powerful combination can help you transform raw data into meaningful insights, allowing you to make data-driven decisions with ease. Whether you're a data analyst or just someone who wants to visualize data better, this guide is perfect for you. Let's start by heading over to Looker Studio. Once there, your first step is to create a new report. You'll want to look for the Create button, typically located in the top left corner of the interface. Click on it, and then select Report. This will open a new canvas where you can begin building your data visualizations. Next, it's time to connect your data. In the Add Data window that appears, you'll want to select BigQuery. This is the platform where your data is stored, and it's the backbone of this integration. Click on BigQuery, and if you're prompted to authorize access, make sure to do so. This step is crucial as it allows Looker Studio to access your data in BigQuery, ensuring that all your visualizations are up to date and accurate. Now, let's move on to selecting the specific data you want to work with. Under the My Projects section, you'll find a list of all the projects you have access to. Carefully select the project that contains the data you're interested in. Once you've chosen your project, drill down further by selecting the appropriate dataset. After that, pick the table that holds the data you want to analyze. Once you've found your table, you'll notice an Add button located at the bottom right corner of the window. Go ahead and click this button. It's important to ensure you've selected the correct table before proceeding, as this will be the data source for your report. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking Add to Report. This step integrates your selected data into the Looker Studio report, allowing you to start creating visualizations. At this point, you can use Looker Studio's various tools to design charts, graphs, and dashboards that best represent your data. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Looker Studio with BigQuery. This integration is a game changer for anyone looking to leverage data analytics in their decision-making process. You can now take full advantage of Looker Studio's robust reporting features to gain insights into your data. Remember, the key to mastering these tools is practice. The more you experiment with different data sets and visualization options, the more proficient you'll become. So, take your time to explore all the features Looker Studio has to offer. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to use Looker Studio with BigQuery. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on data visualization and analysis. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Happy data analyzing.